you can feel my face, my happy face. So welcome to Lithuanian Lesson, where we are making Virtiniai.
Lesson number 1.
James from Bristol.
Lesson of making Virtiniai.
Oh,
Number 1.
Good pronunciation. Hello, James.
Hi.
We're going to make Lithuanian dish.
Awesome.
We call it Virtiniai. Virtiniai means boiled ones. And for that we need flour, eggs, curd or cottage cheese.
As you do with everything
Mm-hmm.
here in Lithuania.
Okay, yeah.
Lithuanian food is amazing. I look forward to having it.
Yeah. So we're taking Lithuanian Soviet time bowls. We are 3 of us in a kitchen doing Lithuanian dish Virtiniai. My mom knows better how to do Virtiniai. I'm not good, but so we have flour and we pour water. Vandens, no? Flour in Lithuanian is miltai. Miltai. Kvietiniai miltai. So we have flour, white flour. We pour cold water. Cold water. Water is vanduo. Vanduo. Called šaltas. Because it's masculine. Water is masculine. Šaltas. Pilu. I'm pouring. Pilu. Aš pilu vandenį. Aš pilu vandenį. Ką pilu? Vandenį. Vandenį. Accusative case. Vandenį. So we have cottage cheese or curd. Curd because it's soft. Varškė. It's curd. I'm taking one bag. A bit of salt. It will be okay. A bit of salt. 1 egg. An egg is kiaušinis. Vienas kiaušinis. So when we put in a curd, vieną kiaušinį, we use accusative case. And I have some mint from the garden. I'm going to cut it. So for the mint we need only leaves. Interesting.
Different.
So I cut mint. Mint is mėta in Lithuanian. Mėta. Mėta. Dedu mėtą į varškę. Varškė į ką? Į varškę. Accusative case. Mėta and accusative case. Varškė. Taip, supjausčiau. I cut it. And we mix it. Okay. So now we have to mix it properly with an egg and salt and mint. And we have this for Virtiniai. Now let's check what my mom is doing. So she's preparing a... What is this?
Dough.
Dough.
Dough, yeah.
Dough is tešla in Lithuanian. So she's preparing dough. Dough. It's good that I have James to help me with English. I'm rolling.
Yeah.
Rolling.
Rolling.
I'm rolling dough. Kočioju tešlą. Yeah, it has to be not thick. It has to be thin. Thin, plona. I need more flour. The dough is done. Now we cut it into pieces, like squares.
Yes. Good save.
It's safe, yeah?
Good save.
And after I take one square, I take some curd, put inside. No, I need a bit enlarge the dough. I put some curd, and now I have to seal it nicely.
That's cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So it's sealed. Now we do like this, and we can make, if we want them nicer, I do like this. Virtinias.
Ah.
Virtinias, we are going to boil them. And we take another piece.
And do exactly the same.
Just the same. It's sealed, properly sealed. If we don't seal properly, it will, the curd will go out and it will be spoiled. Not good. Another one.
Ah.
If I want a different form, I take it with a cup. I have a round one.
Ah. I see.
You see? So crescent. So we have a crescent form. So do you know what's the name of this dish?
Some long Lithuanian name.
No, it's not long. Virtiniai.
Virtiniai.
Virtiniai, it's plural. Virtinis, vienas, one. Virtinis. But when we use in plural, we say virtiniai.
Virtiniai.
Virtinis, virtiniai. Okay, I want to tell that when we are making these virtiniai with the curd, we can make them with potatoes as well. Potatoes inside. Even meat, so it could be different.
Yeah.
And now I want to make a sauce, and for the sauce I use lard or bacon. It's the same like we did for vedarai, spirgučiai. I was teaching about spirgučiai. When you cut this bacon in pieces and you put on a pan, and you have spirgučiai. We will make it smaller. Okay, water is boiling, so we put and we stir very carefully. So we are starving and soon we are going to eat.
Good.
Okay, thank you.
Very much. That's
Yeah, you see, this is spirgučiai with sour cream. We mixed it with sour cream. Quite fat.
That looks good.
I'm ready for virtiniai. I'm going to try virtiniai first. James is eating soup for slowly. It's good to eat slowly. I know the taste, so it's good for me.
Here we go.
Good, yeah? You like it?
Mm.
Do you know how to say very nice in Lithuanian?
No.
We say very tasty.
Very tasty.
Labai skanu.
Labai skano.
Yeah, labai skanu.
Labai skano.
How,
Superb.
how can we score it?
9.5 out of 10.
9.5, okay. Yeah, good.